Hey YouTubers, hope you've enjoyed our videos as much as we've enjoyed making them. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Down below!
Joseph, let's show them how it's done. Oh, I got the big hammer for it. Smash it! Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Hey guys, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Today guys, we'll be building a coin bank off the Build and Grow line from Lowe's. It is the first of the year and everybody's super excited about saving. So Joseph's got a whole bunch of coins with him. Let's get this built and organize his money stack.
Money stack.
Hey Joseph, why'd the quarterback go to the bank?
My dad.
Yeah, I said it backwards. Why did the coach go to the bank?
To get his quarterback.
That's right. You tell the jokes from now on. Alright. Oh wait, that was the instructions. Should we start over? I needed the instructions. Okay, wait, come on. We're back. Right, we got our materials, glass. Let's get to it. Bag of nails. Grab your glasses, your safety glasses, and your hammer, and let's begin. My boy.
These are my glasses.
They are your safety glasses. Step 1, we are going to take 1, 2, and 3 pieces, and we're going to hammer them together. So we've got the one on the left. Here we go. Ready, Joseph? First one's coming your way. Yeah, we could read them in Spanish as well. Okay, ready? Here we go. I'll hold it, you hit it. Watch my fingers.
Your fingers shorts, please.
Give it a good whack, come on. That's perfect. That's in there. That's not going anywhere. Let me tag it and tap it. Okay, now we're going to go 2 on this side. Excellent, my boy. What is your favorite coin, Joseph? The penny, the nickel, the dime, or the quarter? What coin is your favorite?
The quarterback.
That's right, because when we go down to the arcade, we use
The quarterback.
the quarters the most. That's correct.
Quarters, yes.
Go ahead. Tack it in for me. Nice job. That was quick. Alright, now we're going to lay this down like this, and our backing comes on now. And we got to make sure when we lay it down, all the holes line up. So we got a lot of hammering to do now. And then guess what? Only 2 more steps and we could start throwing our coins together.
Throwing.
How many pennies do you think you have today? Take a guess. We're going to count them at the end.
50.
50. I think you got more than 50.
70.
Can I borrow your hammer? Let me just tack.
I got it from here.
You got it from here? Go get it! Oh, okay. Keep it in the center. Easy, easy, easy. Rapid fire! I like that. I'm going to join you. Over here. You're missing the nail. Okay. Now that we've got that built, I need your help. Can you peel this off? Because you got smaller fingers than Daddy. This is the front that tells us how many coins that we stacked up. But I can't. Can you peel that off? Nice and easy. Don't rip it.
I know.
Woo! Hit him with the firepower.
Boom! Bang! Firepower.
Okay. Now this tells us, look, how many dollars. It's hard to probably see in the camera, but it says $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, all the way up to $9, for quarters. So as you continue to stack, it tells you how many. Here, look, we're going to slide it in like so. Go ahead, slide it in. Nice. Now the top piece,
Like this.
the top piece for quarters, Joseph, slides right into here. Can you, wait. Oh, we almost forgot the dividers.
I know.
See the dividers? One.
While I was
Two.
talking about.
So you knew. See, you read the directions before I did. That's why. Okay, here we go. $9
I'll put it
up
on
on
the
top.
divider.
Yep. Let me just make sure it's the right way. There you go. Slide this in, right down, my boy. Okay, and then the top. Make sure the quarters goes on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Ooh, you got it.
So as you can see, we're going to start
Hold on.
our coins.
So let's show everybody. So we've got our complete Lowe's coin bank. On the top you have quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and on the side facing you, it tells you how much you're actually you're earning up. This kit, we got 2 extra nails. What do we do with extra pieces? Does it mean that we forgot a step? We're gonna put it over here. Okay.
Maybe who knows?
Looks good. All right, let's start off with a penny. Do you have a penny? What are our pennies? You got any pennies? Let's see if a penny could go down. Right here on the pennies, it says penny. Let me see.
It's in.
It's in. It says you have 1 cent.
Could I dump them out?
Yeah, bring them, dump them all out here. Let's make a mound. So as we load up that coin bank, let's say goodbye. Thank you for watching another Tool Time with J4 and J5 video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon.
Down below.